Hey, welcome to Papineau Hike. Today we're gonna have a nice walk in the woods, just enjoy the time here and have a campfire and make some coffee and have a snack. Just quiet time, just so we can enjoy the beautiful nature around here. Looks like a little cabin somebody did. Maybe kids, because it's pretty small. If you're new to this channel is mostly about hiking, backpacking, kayaking, gear reviews, magnet fishing. So if you like these kinds of things, you might want to stick around. With everything going on at the moment, here we're not allowed to go out, and we have a curfew from 8 p.m. to 5 p.m. So we can't go backpacking, we can't go camping, so I wasn't able to go out much during the winter and do my backpacking trip that I wanted with my new tent. So I'm not very happy about this, but you know, I don't want to have a ticket. It's over $1,000 ticket, so I don't want to get it. Should be fine soon. But you know, summer's coming, so I'll go regular camping. I like coming here. This is a little wood that's not too far from my place. You get a bridge, you have water, you have peace actually, and it's pretty much free, and you have a big parking. So it's interesting to just be able to be out in the nature and do whatever you want. You want to bushcraft, you want to go camping or whatever. Just go stealth camping if you do it though. You know, you're close to the police station. So we're gonna go find some wood, and we're gonna have a little campfire and have a coffee. That will be nice. It's very, very nice today. It's windy, but it's nice. It's around 5 degrees Celsius, so it's warm. So I'm probably gonna have my favorite coffee on the trail. I switch a lot. I have a lot of different types. It always goes depending on the mood. If I want more calories, or if I want it just straight, or if I want it drinking cold. But when I want something really sweet and really nice, I take these ones. They're huge. They're perfect for a mug like this. So while my water is boiling, made these little things. What I do is I take peanut butter and I mix it with different nuts. I put like these were pumpkin seeds, and I add it to granola mix, and I just squish it into balls, and I put it in the dehydrator for a couple hours, and they make like a little chunk like this. You could add raisin if you want. Tastes really good. Gives you a boost. Very easy to make. And water's boiling. We gotta have coffee. I love this hammock chair. So comfortable. So practical too. You know, just need a tree. That's all you need. And a lot of people are saying, well, yeah, but you cannot use it with a campfire. Yeah. See? No problem with that at all. It works perfectly. Also, if you're looking for great gloves, these gloves are really nice. They're from Decathlon for class. You have the finger to use with the phone and the thumb. Good grip. They're lightweight. They're comfortable, and you have a little thing here so you can pull them in easier when you have your gloves on. So they're not the warmest gloves, obviously, but you can put an inner glove. That's what I do. I put like a small glove inside, and then I'm good to go. So I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss any future video. Thanks for watching.